everyone. So today I am going to give you update about 25 state counseling, BR counseling updates, all the registration update, last date, choice filling, and round 1 merit list, and all the details of all the 25 state. So watch the video till the end. You can also be specific towards your state which I am mentioning. You can skip the part if you don't want to watch about the particular state, but I would suggest watch the video till the end so you will get all the information about all the states. So coming to the JOSA counseling, that is Joint Seat Allocation Authority, the registration is closed, last date is closed. Round 1 and round 2 it is completed. Round 3 seat allotment is released, and as per the merit list, no separate merit list is available. Admission is based on JEE mains rank, okay, and reporting, they have given that candidates allotted seat in round 3 must complete online reporting, fees payment, and document upload within the given schedule. Okay, next is JAC Delhi, that is Joint Admission Committee. Registration status is closed, last date closed, choice filling is completed, round 1 round 2 status is completed, round 3 seat allotment is released, merit list, no specific merit list is available. Seat allotment dates for the round 3 is available on the given portal, so do check out. Also the candidates who have allotted the seat should complete the fees payment and the reporting as per the official website. And next comes the Joint Admission Committee Chandigarh, JAC Chandigarh. Okay, so registration is closed, last date registration is also closed, choice filling is completed, choice locking is currently ongoing, okay, till 9th of July, that is today. You can still lock your choice, okay. Round 1 status is in progress, that is choice locking stage, and round 2 is not yet started. It will start after round 1. Also seat allotment dates for the round 1 allotment is 10th of July 2026 after 8 p.m. So do check out. Tomorrow is the last date. Reporting, online fees submission, and willingness after round 1, this is between 10 to 13 July. Spot round is applicable if the seats remain vacant. So currently no spot round is there for JAC Chandigarh. Okay, it will be occur if the seats remain vacant. Okay. Coming to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, that is GGSIP University, Delhi. So registration and last date is gone. Choice filling is ongoing according to the counseling schedule. Round 1 is awaited and round 2 is not yet started. Merit list is based on NATA and JEE scorecard. Seat allotment is awaited. Reporting will be begin after round 1 allotment, and spot round is not yet announced. Coming to Jamia Mila is JMI, and the registration and last date is closed. Then choice filling is not applicable. University admission process, it happens through university admission process. Round 1 first year BR merit list is awaited. I think as of today, that is 9th of July, they might be released. You just check out on the portal. Into SEPT University Ahmedabad, so registration and last date is closed. Choice filling is not applicable as it is institute level admission process, and round 1 admission process is ongoing on the published merit list and offer list. Round 2 will be released if the seat remain vacant, and merit list is released by the university. Seat allotment offer letters are been issued to the eligible candidates as per the merit list given. Okay, so those candidates have got the confirmation admission have to pay the fees within the deadline mentioned in the offer letter. Okay, Then special round or spot round is not yet announced in the CEPT University Ahmedabad. So coming to Gujarat ACPC counseling is still going on. The registration process is still going on. Round 1, round 2 not yet started, and merit list will release after the registration is closed. Also reporting will be begin after round 1 seat allotment. Okay. Coming to the Rajasthan registration is ongoing. Choice filling will start after merit list preparation. Round 1 not yet started, merit list not yet released, seat allotment is not yet released of Rajasthan. Reporting will begin after round 1, okay, round 1 allotment, and spot round is not yet announced. Generally, spot round of every state, every counseling process happens if there is a vacant space in the particular college or particular university, then only the special round or spot round happens. Sorry. So Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Anna University, West Bengal, the registration process is not yet started. Okay, the choice filling also not started. So you have to wait and you have to keep checking the official portal every time. All the links I have shared in the description and also in the comment section. So do check out. Kerala State registration is completed. Choice filling is completed for the submission of required architecture and document details they have provided in their website, so you check it out. Also, round 1 is not yet started. Merit list is under preparation. It might release in upcoming days. Okay, reporting will be begin after first allotment. Okay, then coming to Telangana JNAFAU, okay, counseling, it has not yet started. Okay, then coming to Andhra Pradesh also it has not yet started. Bihar counseling process is ongoing, and last date as per the latest update it has not mentioned yet, so please check the website. Okay, round 1 it has not yet started. Seat allotment will release after round 1, and reporting will also begins after round 1. Coming to Jharkhand, that is JCECEB, Jharkhand registration is ongoing. Okay, you check that. And choice filling is yet to start. So Jharkhand last date they have not mentioned, so you can register for Jharkhand. Okay, merit list for round 1 is under preparation, so it will release soon, and reporting time will be begin after round 1 allotment. Okay, so Punjab that is IKG PTU University, it has not yet announced. Okay, not yet started. Registration and choice filling is not yet started, so do check out. Jammu and Kashmir, that is JKBOPEE counseling, it has not yet started. So about the Odisha registration counseling is ongoing, so they have not mentioned the last date. Okay, choice filling is also ongoing, so student can still register and still appear for the choice filling. Merit list will announce soon once the choice filling and choice locking is done, and the the state merit list will based on the eligibility entrance score. Seat allotment is awaited. It will start after the this registration. Then after that, candidates will have to report to the allotted institute as per the official schedule, which will they mention in the portal. Then coming to Haryana registration is ongoing. Last date they have not mentioned. Choice filling will start or begin after the registration, and the round 1 is not yet started. Merit list is yet to publish. Reporting will begin after the round 1 allotment. Then coming to DTE Madhya Pradesh, that is the registration is ongoing. Then last date is currently open, and choice filling is to begin as per the counseling schedule, so you have to check out the website. It has not yet started. Round 1 it has not yet started. Round 2 not yet started. seat allotment will start after the round. Seat allotment will start after the registration and choice filling. Also, candidates must report after the seat allotment as per the DTE schedule. The schedule they have not given yet. Okay. Also coming to the Gujarat's second round is ongoing. They have given all the details about the upcoming rounds of the registration and counseling in the brochure. I am mentioning here again because before that I forgot. Okay, so do check out. Assam also it has not yet started. Coming to Uttarakhand, that is UKTECH counseling, it has not yet started. So these are the updates of all the counseling. So keep checking the website, official portals. I have shared in the link and the description. I am mentioning this again and again because students are commenting on the video that please share the official website. So for them I am mentioning again that all the websites, all the official portals websites I have provided in the description and the comment section. So do check out. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video till the end. Hope you got the information related to the counseling process, and all the best the future architects of India. So all the best. Hope you get your dream college. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.